We've partnered with the Mahitahi Colab and the Food Factory to deliver a Co.Starters cohort, which is a 10-week business development course for food and beverage businesses, supported by specialist food and beverage knowledge.
For me, the best thing about Co.Starters was the realisation of working on who my customer actually is. There were a lot of really nice little pointers and marks along the way to focus on who our customers are.
Historically, so many food and beverage businesses in this area have been so closed down and closed-doored. So collaborating together, they're actually helping each other actually perspire and actually reach their aspirations.
So joining a group like this is a great way to challenge your assumptions and help you identify the things that you don't know that you don't know. And that's what Co.Starters has really helped us with.
Listening to other people's stories and their little startups and businesses kind of makes you feel that you're not alone out there doing these things. And you know, from week to week, there was always something that someone brought up that was worth learning.
What I really like about these courses is that it brings people together who are at the same sort of point on their journey, and they're learning from each other. I mean, we've got experts and stuff, and we've got a really neat program. But it's really about those people coming together and sorting things out for themselves that I think is really, really powerful. And so, you know, I'm very proud to have the Food Factory involved with these guys at this point and look forward to working with them into the future.